Welcome to our detailed guide on MXC Exchange. In this video, we'll be taking you through the key features and tools that make MXC a popular platform for cryptocurrency traders. We'll begin by exploring the homepage, where you can find the latest market trends and access your account dashboard. To get started, you'll need to sign up on the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to explore different trading pairs and view real-time price charts. MXC offers a variety of trading options, including spot and futures trading. The platform is known for its low fees and seamless execution, which makes it an attractive choice for both new and experienced traders. One key feature is its ability to customize the interface according to your needs, ensuring a smooth experience as you manage your portfolio. MXC also offers options for staking and earning rewards, allowing you to earn passive income on your holdings. But before diving into these advanced features, let me share something important. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. After exploring the trading interface, we'll cover how to place buy and sell orders, as well as the leverage options for futures traders. Finally, we'll review the customer support options available should you need help while using MXC. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more trading tips and tutorials.